Let me record this session for you all. So, are you able to understand? Let me take the example. Let's take a simple example for you all. I'm going to write a simple example. For example, class, and class name can be anything. Let's take it coding. Public static void main string, and then some array name, for example, AR. I'm going to take one variable name, for example, int y, and initialize it to some values like 20. Okay. So in this example,
Hello. Jati Niwas.
let me complete. Don't speak in between. Okay. Okay. So in this example, how many identifiers is there?
Two, ma'am.
Mention two.
Why?
Two. Anyone else?
Coding and
No.
Three.
Just tell me the numbers. How many identifiers is there?
Three.
Three. Okay. Anyone else? 3, 2,
Two, ma'am.
2. All wrong answer. Try again. See the definition. That name may be
Oh, it's 4.
label name, class name, and variable.
4.
4.
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
else? 4. Confirm? Again, you guys are wrong. Try again. Focus on definition first, and then go in example. Okay, someone I think mentioned in chat 2, 5. Okay, who is that? Rohit, Raju, ek no wrong. Rajnikant 4, Rohit. How many of you saying 5? Only I can see that Rohit mentioned that 5. Okay, so, okay, see. So what is identifier? Again, I'm telling, okay? That name may be method name, label name, class name, and variable name. Focus on method, label, class, and variable. Now count. Coding. Coding is the name of class. First identifier, we identified, right? Second, main. Main is what? Main is a name of method. So second one. Third, who is this? Don't try to disturb. Okay. So third one is string.
Yeah, no.
String is what? String is a predefined class name.
Yes, it's
Okay.
Thanks, Malga. Isaka explained everything to me, how it went.
Next,
the
array name,
So he was
AR.
saying that,
This is the
get
array
to know
name.
how
So fourth identifier. And the last one is
so I
that
was now like, at
variable.
least
Why?
Mr. Michael should be able to at least help out. It shouldn't be just be like, okay, what if Isaac announced that it was like now it's not his mistake, that he's less concerned about it.
I've always been telling
At
him
least
to.
he has tried his best now for 5K.
Okay, so are you guys understand? So there are total 5 identifier. First one is coding, the name of class. Second one is main, name of method. Third one is string. String is already a predefined class name. Fourth one is AR, which is the name of array. You can write something else also. Depends on you. And the last one is Y, the name of variable. So total 5 identifiers are there. Okay. Are you guys able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if we are using any character which follows the rules of identifier, then it will be right. Otherwise, it will be wrong. So there are certain rules which we have to follow for identifier. What are the rules? So there are some rules. First one is identifier should start with a letter. Okay. So it should start with a letter. Second rule is the uppercase and lowercase letter are distinct. It means case sensitive, simply. You can say. So uppercase and lowercase letter are distinct. Third rule, identifier must not start with a digit. Okay. It must not start with a digit. See, for example, coding. Coding starts with letter, not digit. Okay. And if we write like this, one coding, then it is wrong. It must not start with a digit. Remember these points. Fourth point, it must not be a keyword. So you can't use keyword in the place of identifier. Okay. Next rule, white space is not allowed. Next, you can use underscore sign or dollar sign to start an identifier. What is underscore sign? This punctuation. See, this one. This is underscore, not this. And dollar, this symbol. So you can start with these symbols also by using underscore or dollar. Okay. The next rule is use of underscore sign and dollar sign are allowed to initialize the identifier name. Okay. Last one. There is no length limit for Java identifier, but it is not recommended to take more than 15. What is mean by length? Let's count. 1, encoding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So length is 6. So there is no limit, but it is recommended that do not take more than 15. Okay. Now let's take an example and you guys tell me the following identifiers are valid or not. Okay. So first one, I'm going to write school @ Now tell me this is valid or not. This identifier is valid or not. You guys can unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
No.
No. Anybody saying yes? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Dipti.
Okay, so how you saying that yes, this is a valid identifier?
Ma'am, it start with a letter
Okay,
S.
N. Okay, so you only like recognize that, okay, so it starts with letters, so it is valid, but you can't see that symbol @. What I'm telling that only use of underscore sign and dollar sign are allowed.
Okay, ma'am.
And here I'm using @. So logically it is wrong. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second example. 3, 4, 5. Then coding. Okay, tell me, right or wrong?
No, ma'am. Wrong.
Wrong? Why?
No, ma'am.
Wrong.
Wrong why?
Ma'am, it's starting with a numerical number.
Okay, so because it start with a number, so it is wrong. Next. Tell me this is valid or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Invalid.
No,
Valid.
ma'am.
Valid. It's a keyword.
Okay.
No, ma'am. It's a keyword.
No, ma'am. It's keyword.
Yes. So break is a keyword. It is a predefined keyword. And see this. It must not be a keyword. So you can't use keyword as a name of identifier. If I'm writing int, again invalid, switch, again invalid, anything which is predefined keyword, it's invalid. Okay. Next, string, valid or not.
No, ma'am.
First, let me tell you that string is a predefined class in Java here. String is a predefined class in Java. Now tell me this is valid or not.
Valid.
Valid.
Yes, ma'am. Valid.
Valid. Anyone else?
Valid.
Valid.
Not, ma'am.
Okay. Why not valid?
A data type. A string is a data type.
First letter is small, right?
First letter is small. So it is valid or not? Are you guys confused?
No, ma'am. It's valid.
It's valid.
It's valid. because
Yes.
I'm using small letter. I'm using small s. And here,
It's case
the-
sensitive.
yes, this is case sensitive. This is also example of case sensitive because here the predefined class string, the first letter always, or any class, you can take any class in Java, the first letter always in capital letter. But here I'm using small letter. Okay, so this is valid. This is not, now this is not a predefined class anymore because I'm using that small letter s, so it is valid identifier. Okay, next. Valid or not?
Valid.
Valid.
Valid?
ma'am.
I'm using underscore punctuation here. So it is
Yes, ma'am.
valid.
Valid.
Okay. Valid or not?
Valid.
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 Or tell me a reason.
Ma'am, it's using underscore and $sign.
So it's a valid. Right?
Maybe.
Not maybe.
Ma'am, but it has no letter now or not is
No, I'm just using like $sign and underscore sign. You have to like say only valid or invalid. So what this symbol called?
$sign.
Dollar and then underscore and then dollar. So it's valid. But don't take name like this. Okay. I'm only clearing your concepts. Next and last example. Valid or invalid?
Valid.
valid. Valid.
Valid? Confirm?
Not valid.
Why not valid?
It should not start with a letter.
It should not start with the letter. So it's follow this rule. It is not start with the letter. See? It start with a $sign.
Ma'am, it's valid.
It's valid. Okay. This is a valid identifier. So if we are using any other character, we'll get compile time error. Any other character which not follow these rules, then it will give compile time error. Okay. So all clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So we move to the next topic. Next is reserved words.
1 minute.
Okay.
Actually, I think the meeting will stop within the some minute. Okay, now just intimate to others. Okay, now don't go anywhere. Please return back to meeting. Okay.
So Ravikant is there, right?
I'm saying that it's intimating us. Okay, na within the few minutes, the meeting will stop.
Yeah.
So then come back again. Okay, in the meeting. Class is going good. Really, I'm feeling so happy. Okay.
Thanks. Ravikant, I'm like thinking it's enough for today or I'll extend the class.
As you wish, madam. As you wish, what you want, you can do it. Okay, na. But the really just now I connected because I slept today.
Oh,
Holiday is there, right?
okay,
So
okay.
just now
It's fine.
just that. Okay, it's your choice. What you want, you can do it. Okay.
Okay. No, actually,
Guys,
yeah, say.
listen. After session, please give the feedback in the group because others also can get benefits. Okay, na. So this
So,
is my
Ravikant, let me say something. So, guys, if like no somebody don't know that this is Ravikant, so he's a very good Ravikant. Can I say like he's a very good person or a successful person? You can say having more and more years of experience. So he's also in the class. So I'm glad that you are here, Ravikant.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Swati. Just now, actually, it's really, really nice. Your explanation just now, I seen that. Okay, now you started the things and you are taking this much basic things in the session. Really, I am so happy. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So it's really, really helpful for you guys. Please give the feedback in the group also, as well as okay, that's it. Nothing more than else. Because if you give the feedback in the group, right, others also can get this class, this kind of session. If others people also get right, then really, really the benefit for others also. Okay, and this is my request. Okay, so okay, you can continue your session, madam. Okay, now I'm stopping here only because I have some other work also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, Ravikant.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Okay, so where we are? Reserve words. So what are the reserve words or what is mean by reserve word? So you can simply say some identifier are reserved to associate some functionality or to repeat or to represent the value, you can say. Okay, so such type of reserved identifier are called reserve word. So reserve words, so simply you can say it has a spatial meaning. The words are reserved. Focus, reserved word. So it has a spatial meaning. For example, we can take a keyword int. Okay. So int. What is int here? Int is a keyword, right? Int is a keyword. So it has a spatial meaning. For example, if we take a variable like int y, then what happened? Understand this. If we take a variable int y, what will happen? There is a variable named y. Okay. And here take y equals to 2. So in variable y, We put 2. So now what happened? If you declare that y variable to int, then now that y only store value which is integer. Simply means that this is the means of reserve word. Y reserve itself that store only a integer values in this, only integer value. You don't store like let me delete this. So you can't write like this. A is what? A is integer. A is integer.
It's character, string character.
It's character. Okay. So you can't write here A, B, C or something which is character. So only you put a integer value in this y. That means a reserved. So that's why we say int is a reserved word. It only store a integer values in it. Okay. So reserved words are, let me clear the drawing first. So total reserved words in Java is 53. Okay. Example, int char. I'm taking just some example. Okay. Sort, long, double, byte, switch. These are the keywords. Try to remember all the keywords. Case, do,
Main.
while, for, continue,
Break.
etc. Okay. So I think for now, enough for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the data types, which is a type of language fundamentals. Okay. So now I'm going to stop the class. And I'll share notes later. Okay.
Ma'am, video will be available to us after classes or not?
It will be uploaded on YouTube channel. So don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And try to regular in the class. Okay. Thank you so much. And give your feedback also. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Ma'am, one thing I need to ask, ma'am, can you reschedule it to 3 p.m.?
Not 3 p.m. I'm like trying to reschedule this batch in morning session, but not for now. I'll think about that. If I get time, so I'll reschedule it. So don't worry, just attend the class. It's free, guys. So try
Okay,
to
ma'am.
attend regular basis. Okay. So bye. I hope you all understand. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.